Hi. Welcome to Professor Nikhil Gulati's YouTube channel. For learning 5 day-to-day vocabularies regularly with its meaning and an example, you are requested to subscribe the channel for regular free updates. So, let's get started. The first word is describe. This word is a verb which means to describe is to say or write what someone or something is like. They described their tree as colorful with gold ribbon and a star. Second word is ever. This word is an adverb which means ever means at any time. Going skiing last winter was the most fun I've ever had. Third word is fail. This word is a verb which means to fail means you do not succeed in what you try to do. Since he failed to get the job, he was sad. Fourth word is friendly. This word is an adjective which means friendly is behaving in a pleasant, kind way towards someone. The friendly animals came up to the girl. Fifth word is grade. This word is a noun which means a grade is a score or mark given to someone's work. I managed to get good grades on my report card.